Hey everybody from YouTube. I just spent the last 2 weekends out at Lake Mooney down near Fredericksburg, and it is a fantastic bass lake. Caught a whole bunch of bass using finesse techniques with plastics, and it seems like most of the bass are hanging out right where 4 or 5 feet of water transitions into 10 feet of water. So you definitely want to take a depth finder with you. The first couple of feet of shoreline, first maybe 5 yards, 3 to 5 yards of shoreline is kind of like a dead zone. There's just basically a sandy bottom with maybe some old stumps there, but it doesn't really hold any fish. So you're going to want to find that area about 5 yards from the shoreline where there's a transition in depth. And like I said, if anywhere from 4 to 5 feet that transitions to 10 feet is where the bass seem to be holding. If you find a spot that's 5 feet that transitions into 15 or 20 feet with structure, that's definitely a place you're going to want to concentrate on. But anyways, I was using soft plastics. I'll say this, a drop shot rig and a Carolina rig. I lost 2 rigs of each. I lost 4 rigs total. They were getting wrapped around the branches of that submerged brush that they have there. So a Texas style rig seemed to work better for me to catch the fish. But anyways, it was a great time. Let's check out the action. Is he on? Yeah, he's on. He's caught up around some shit. Where is he? There he is. That's a nice bass. Oh yeah. Oh my God. That's a beauty. That is a beautiful bass. I hope I got that. Yes, perfect. Oh my God, that's a big boy. That's what I'm talking about right there, folks. That's a pretty fish. Alright, that was about... That's a nice bass right there. Whew. There's one. There's one. Maybe not. Well, no, there's one. There he is. There he is. Got him. Nice bass. Cool. Alright, nothing huge, but nice bass. Alright, buddy. Kind of fooled me. Oh, there's one. There's one. Where are you? Gotcha. Oh, damn it. That's something on me. Yep, I do. Got one. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, and he's caught up around some shit. Ah, damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. That's a nice bass. I see him down there, but I can't. Where is he? Yeah, I'm down in about 6 feet of water. There's one. Got him. Oh, yeah. That's a little bugger. Alright. Okay. Good start. Nice little bass. There's one. I think that's one. Yep, that's one. That's a nice bass. Oh yeah. That's a nice bass. That's a nice bass. Oh hell yeah. Well, there, big boy. That's a nicer bass, yes sir. Yeah. Easy. Oh, there's one. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Wow, what was that? There he goes. Got him. Oh, little one. That was pretty fun. Come here. Little fart. Stop it. Oh. Okay. Ah, yeah. That's a big one. There he is. Oh, yeah. That's a nice bass. That's a nice bass. All right. Okay, got you that time. Yeah, okay. It's not that big. It's okay size. Got you that time, buddy. Come here. Stop it. Stop it. Come here. All right, well, it's about the size of the bass I caught when I first started fishing. Yeah, it's fun. Oh, wow. That's a nice bass. Oh. Ah, there goes my bait. Oh, that's a nice one. Ah. Oh yeah, that's a nicer bass. Thanks, Harry. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. All right. Sweet. Ooh, pretty fish. Yeah, that's a pretty fish. Yeah, nice. Cool. All right. Cool.